In this video, I will show you how to play Pirates of the Caribbean Tides of War on PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to draw that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to play this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to this website here. Now what I will do is leave a link to this website in the video description down below, but make sure to follow along with this video first before clicking that link so you know the steps on how to install and play this on PC. So what you need to do once you come across to this page here, you're going to see two buttons. What you want to do is press the blue play on PC button, which is going to download something called BlueStacks onto your PC. Now BlueStacks is an emulator, so what that does, it basically allows you to play mobile games on your PC. So once that's gone ahead and downloaded, just click onto it to run the installation setup program. Once you've gone ahead and installed BlueStacks, you're going to get a window like this come up, so just go ahead and press the blue button to go ahead and launch BlueStacks on your PC. So once you've launched up BlueStacks, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, it's currently loading through, so it just takes a minute or two to do this, and you might get an ad pop up, so just go ahead and close the ad down just like so, and as you can see, that's just loading through. So once that's loaded through, it should directly take you to the app page. Now if it doesn't, then what you can do is come up to this search icon just up here, click onto this, and of course go ahead and search for Pirates of the Caribbean in here. However, all you want to do from the app page, you're going to see the green install button, so just click onto that to start installing Pirates of the Caribbean Tides of War on your PC. So it just takes a minute or two to do this, to download and install. Once the game has finished installing, you'll notice the green install button is going to change to play. So all you need to do now is click onto this to load up this game on BlueStacks. And here we are, as you can see in game. So all we want to do is tap to skip through the intro if you want, and then we can begin playing Pirates of the Caribbean Tides of War on PC. So that's how to go ahead and play Pirates of the Caribbean Tides of War on PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.